Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring your Touch and Go e-wallet is active and funded. This is essential because the voucher redemption may require TNG for verification or top-up. Once done, open Google Play and confirm you are signed into the account you want to credit. This prevents applying the voucher to the wrong profile. Make sure the voucher code is visible and that your TNG app is unlocked on the same device or a paired phone so you can complete any immediate prompts. You enter the Google Play redeem screen and type the voucher code precisely because a single mistyped character will fail. Watch for O versus 0 and I versus 1. After submitting, Google Play displays the amount and asks to confirm which account or payment method to prioritize. Choose to apply the voucher balance to your Play balance. If prompted to combine with TNG or another method, make your selection and authorize any verification steps, so the credit posts you finish by confirming the Play balance reflects the voucher amount and by attempting a small purchase to ensure credit use. This verifies the flow worked. If the code is rejected, check for expiration or regional restrictions and review your TNG transaction history for any blocked payments. If problems persist, take screenshots of error messages and transaction ID, then contact Google Play or TNG support. Providing those details speeds resolution and helps you recover funds or reapply the voucher.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.